Hello everyone, guten Tag. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about month's name, season names, and days name in German. So, let's get started. First, month's name, जिसको हम बोलते हैं Monat. Okay, so first is Januar, Januar. Second, Februar, März, April, Juni, Juli, August, September, September, October, November, and December. December. So we have January, February, March, April, Juni, July, August, September, October, November, December, which means January, February, March, April, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So these are the month's name, which is Monat in German language. So now we are moving ahead with the um, season names. Okay, so seasons names को हम बोलते हैं Yahare site. So we have four types of seasons, which is winter, summer, spring and autumn, right? So winter को हम Yahare site जर्मन में क्या बोलते हैं? Winter, same. समर को हम बोलते हैं सोमर एंड स्प्रिंग को हम बोलते हैं फ्यूलिंग एंड ऑटम और फॉल को हम बोलते हैं हर्ब्स. So these are our Yahare site. Winter, summer, fueling, harvest. Now we are moving ahead with the days of the week, which we call in German language. Okay. Okay. So days of the week, जिसको हम बोलते हैं जर्मन में Wochentage. Wochentage. So we will learn Wochentage. First is Montag, that means Monday. Dienstag, that means Tuesday. Mittwoch, that means Wednesday. Donnerstag, that means Thursday. Freitag, that means Friday. Samstag, that means Saturday. And Sonntag, that means Sunday. Okay, so we learn Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. So these are the Wochentage, week of the day, days of the week, sorry. So yeah, this is for this video. Danke, hope you enjoy learning German with me. So stay tuned with me. Tschüss, guten Tag.